Hey friends, welcome back to Easy-Peasy Foodie channel. Today we're making a delicious and healthy vegan stir fry with quinoa, soy granule and loads of veggies. It's packed with plant-based protein, full of flavor and super satisfying. Let's start by rinsing 100 grams of quinoa and setting it aside. Then we'll soak about 50 grams of soy granules in hot water just until we're ready to use them. This gives us time to prep the veggies. After that, we chop a red onion, red pepper and a carrot. It's a good practice to chop our veggies into same sizes for consistency. Next, we'll peel and dice a sweet potato. We're gonna bake the sweet potato in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, about 320 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for another 15 minutes. This gives the dish a soft, sweet bite that balances the spices beautifully. Marinate with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and black pepper before we pop it in the oven to roast. Now, let's heat some olive oil in a pan and mince 1 clove of garlic for that amazing aroma. Let's give it a mix before we toss in the chopped onions. The onions need to be fried over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Just before the onions start caramelizing, we'll toss in our chopped veggies and give them a few minutes to soften. Now time to add in the flavor. We stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste, followed by half a teaspoon each of thyme and paprika. Let's give it a mix and everything cook together for a minute or two. Now we drain the soy granules and add them to the pan and stir. We'll give it a few minutes before we add in our vegetable broth. Now let's turn up the heat very high to vigorously bring it to a boil. Then in goes our rinsed and drained quinoa. Give it a quick mix and cover. At the same time, turn down the heat to low and cook for 15 minutes. And 15 minutes later, in goes our green peas and sweet corn. Raisins. Why raisins? Quinoa sometimes tend to be bitter, so raisins add a nice little burst of sweetness to the dish. Now add black pepper and salt to taste if needed. A little drizzle of olive oil for glossy and flavor. Let's give it a mix and turn off the heat, then cover. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes before plating. And just like that, we've got a vibrant, protein-rich and comforting vegan stir fry that's perfect for any time of the day. If you cook along with me, amazing job. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more easy plant-based meals. And if you try this recipe, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your version. Thanks for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.